Hello beauties, and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you're new to my channel, you're highly welcome, and if you're returning, thank you so much. I appreciate you all. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can achieve a beautiful, fresher looking skin, like to get a younger looking skin. If you have dark spots or uneven skin tone, this will help you a lot to even out your dark spots, leaving you with a beautiful, flawless, and younger looking skin. So if you want to see how to do this, if you want to see how to get a flawless skin on the younger skin, please keep on watching. Here I want to show you what you have to do so to achieve a beautiful, smoother, silky, younger skin. So here I have up to 2 bananas, but I'm going to go ahead and use only one. So here I've already washed my bananas, but I'm using only one just now. So all you need is just the back of the banana for this banana peel. Banana peel is very good and also makes an excellent face mask, which has a gentle exfoliating effect once it dries. Wow. The vitamins in it nourish and hydrate the skin, leaving you with a fresher looking skin. Like banana peel on your skin is very good. If you haven't tried this and you have dark spots on your face, or if you want to even out your dark marks, this will help a lot in treating that. So here I'm going to go ahead and slice tomato. Tomato may help reduce the risk of sunburns and also protect against skin cancer. Tomato may also have anti-aging properties and also stimulate collagen production, and it has like other amazing benefits on the skin. So my lovelies, I'm going to go ahead and transfer this into blender, and I'm going to add a little bit of water just to ease the blending process. After blending this, I'm going to transfer the mixture into a bowl, and I'm going to add just the quantity I'm going to use. So, and after that, I'm going to go ahead and add rice flour. Rice flour can be used for various skin concerns, such as getting rid of acne or hyperpigmentation or any skin blemishes you might have. So, and also rice flour may delay the signs of aging, making you look younger. Again, rice flour also contains anti-aging properties, and this also has oil absorbing properties. So after that, I'm going to go ahead and stir everything together, making sure that they are properly mixed. I'm going to go ahead and add sweet almond oil, and this measurement is about 2.5 ml and equivalent to half a teaspoon. So sweet almond oil improves complexion and also even out skin tone, and it also helps treat acne and also reduces the appearance of scars. So moving on, I'm going to go ahead and add vitamin E. So vitamin E oil, yes, I'm using the same measurement as well. Vitamin E oil acts as a moisturizer and also treats dark circles, sunburns, and also lightening scars. So after that, I'm just going to go ahead and mix everything together. You can see the way I'm mixing it, making sure everything is well combined. Just when I'm about to use it, I'm just going to go ahead and add milk, and here I'm using 1/8 of a cup, which is about 30 ml. So yeah, milk contains retinol, a well-known anti-aging and skin restoring antioxidant. milk drives out excessive dirt and also dead skin cells from clogged pores, preventing further blackheads or acne. So after that, I'm just going to go ahead and mix everything together, and I'm going to show you the next process. So as you can see, I just finished washing my face. I'm going to go ahead and add this mask. So yeah, this is how it's looking. You can go ahead and add this with your brush or your hands, depending on what's convenient for you.
Cause you say those things, then shut me out. Got no clue what you have found. I'm a rose in thorns, but you cut me down. It's wrong.
So this is how my face is looking right now. So I'm going to go ahead and carry this for about 15 to 20 minutes. I'm going to wash it off and show you how my face looks. So see you later. So yeah, I'm back, and this is how my face is looking. So, and I'm going to go ahead and wash my face, and I will show you the outcome. So this is the outcome. So this is the outcome. I'm going to go ahead and apply my moisturizer. As you can see how my face looks, it's so beautiful, guys. It's so beautiful. So you can go ahead and do this once a week, or at most twice a week. Yeah, don't overdo it. I'm going to go ahead and moisturize my face, and yeah, before then, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe and tap on the bell icon. In this way you get instant notifications whenever I post any video. So thank you also so much for watching. Until I see you all in my next video, stay blessed, stay beautiful, and I love you all. Bye. Cause you say those things, then shut me out. Got no clue what you have found. I'm a rose in thorns, but you cut me down. It's wrong, I can't be